Today's Ignited Ink writing quick tip is on book editing. If you're going to use a software to give feedback to another writer, like Microsoft Word track changes, be sure to change the color that your comments appear in. Most of these programs have a default red for any edits or comments made, and a lot of people don't like that because it reminds them of bad marks in school. So it's best to use a different color, and there are lots of options. I use teal in mine. To learn more about how to use track changes to give feedback, check out my latest YouTube video, How to Use Microsoft Word's Track Changes for Easy Book Editing. I'm Caitlin Burvey, editor and writer. Good luck igniting your ink.